bonus points for the Drua in 2024 in the first for young Isaiah Armstrong-Ravula on debut. 38 metres out, Isaiah Armstrong-Ravula straight is here.
First shot of the day for the youngster. Distance is good.
Strike. No mistake. Bang it.
Will come back. Armstrong-Ravula. And from right in front, the flags go up.
The conversion is good.
There's the angle in the distance. Will it come around? Yes, it will. Strikes it well.
As the Drua pressing hard. Now they go wide. They've got plenty of numbers. And Armstrong-Ravula scores the try for the Drua.
So Armstrong-Ravula. And
so looking for three as Armstrong-Ravula.
And there is the drop goal attempt from Armstrong-Ravula. And he's got it. Able to scores 15 metres in from touch, and he's got it. Armstrong-Ravula, 16 in from touch, and this one will hold its line. It's down the middle. It is 14 points to 7. It's got the distance. What's the direction like? It's over.
Work for Jorgo to get across.
Conversion is
The second half, the Drua hit back in style.
Armstrong-Ravula. And the flags go up. Roar of the crowd in bar. First points to Fiji and Drua. And Armstrong-Ravula joins the 200 club. So Armstrong-Ravula from out wide. And this one is over. So they've matched the 32 points they scored in Suva last year. Long way out. It's got the distance and the direction is perfect as well. There's the angle for the youngster, and he's got the radar working. He's nailed it.